All right. Hello, people. Well, I heard that the Sapphire RX580 will work with Apple Mojave operating system, and I also heard that the 5X RX590 will also work. So, hey, I ordered this RX590 on Amazon for about $199. Had some California tax in there, about $218 with shipping. So going to put this into the Mac Pro. This is a 2010 Mac Pro, and there's an ATI Radon already in here. I don't know if this came with the Mac or not. I think it did, but this computer is 8 years old now, 9 years old. Anyway, I do want to put Mojave on here, and I was able to get High Sierra on here in the firmware upgrade. You can look at my previous videos for that adventure. So here, without further ado, is the new RX590 Pulse, and I'm hoping this will cure my woes with not having Mojave on this server. Yeah, I know. Catalina's coming out September 2019, and it's already September 2019, so yeah, I know I'm feeling the pain in the bite on that one, but since I've never run Mojave before on anything that I own, this might be a lot of fun. So I'm gonna pull this card out. I've already installed this 8-pin cable that will fit into the new video card, and I can't really run the installer without a new card in here, so let's take this card out. That was pre-loosened already. Pull this cable out. Of course, I had that pre-loosened for the video because I'm using one hand. And can I get this card out with one hand? Probably not. I think there's a catch in this thing to get it out, as I recall now. There's a catch in here or something. It's not coming out one hand. Okay, well, rest assured that we're going to put the 590 in here and show you what happens in the next video. Thanks for watching.